Here with the demo for movie recommendation system, which is based on three algorithms: SVM, and then collaborative filtering approach applying neural network. First, execute main.py. We have implemented SVM algorithm, SVM and content-based collaborative filtering, and then neural network-based collaborative filtering. First, click on the pre-process. Pre-process of the dataset will be done. So pre-process is completed. Now execute the SVM. This is the movie lens data we have taken. Movies, rating, and user, or the three data sets we have taken. So we are executing the SVM now. These are all the RMSE error values indicating by SVM algorithm. So mean RMSE value is 0.937. Here we get the recommended movie. That is, we have given 5 results for every algorithm. We are getting the top 5 recommendation from the SVM algorithm. Now content-based collaborative filtering. This approach will execute. This is the word cloud results from recommendation system. Use user-based CF and item-based CF for RMSE value. Training data, test data, both RMS value we have checked. And this is the recommendation of movies from content-based collaborative approach. And then we are executing the neural network based CF now. So this will take time, so I go for pause. This is the result from neural network algorithm. This is the result recommended movie from neural network algorithm. So this is the result of the project. Thank you.